Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1068 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the menu using this left upper button. Just press it, then press down and right to go to the settings and press this middle button. Now let's go down to phone settings, press OK or middle button, and display, again middle button. Here let's enter the wallpaper, so middle button again, and we've got two different options, so the system or user defined. In the system we've got only one image which is currently set, so I'll show you how to do it using user defined, so the photos we've taken with the device. Let's go down and press OK, open the phone, photos, and this is the image I've just taken, so press OK. Press OK again, and it is done. So let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.